So I'm going to show you how to connect Bluetooth headphones or even a Bluetooth speaker to your Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. Now this is very simple. You want to go to settings. Under settings, make sure you select connections, and then under connections, you will see Bluetooth. You can tap on that, and then with Bluetooth on and scanning for devices, you want to put your headphones in Bluetooth pairing mode. Now, depending on what brand you have, the process could be different. For this particular JBLs, all I have to do is long press on that power button until they go into pairing mode. Now, with the headphones in pairing mode, now you may or may not see this depending on what brand you have again. So let's go and tap on scan again because it's going to stop scanning after some time. You might have to tap it once or twice. Now you can see the JBL headphones have been detected. All I have to do is tap on them and then tap on pair, and that's going to pair and connect the headphones to the Galaxy Z TriFold. Now, of course, if you want to, you can save this connection in your Google account, and just so that you can use these headphones across many different Android devices that have the same Google account. Thanks for watching and good luck.